Hey guys, check out this VRIG GoPro phone holder. So basically what this thing is a GoPro mount that works with your cell phone, which is something I've needed a lot. So we've got a GoPro mount here and just screw it in. So that's pretty easy. But what I like about this is how well it holds onto a phone. So there's a button on the back you push to open it and close it, or to open it rather, and it'll close and clamp down, but it won't open no matter how hard it gets pulled on. So here we're going to mount a phone in it, so we can't stretch them out. You got to press the red button to open this thing up, slap the phone in, tighten it down with a nice little click there. There we go. Now it's squeezed on. So there we go. So it's on pretty good. You can twist it sideways. Either way. There we go. So we'll go from, what do you call that, landscape mode up to more of like a selfie mode. And it holds on pretty tight. Pretty good stiffness in this connection, so it's not just flopping around. But yeah, seems to work pretty good. So you can use it with any of your action cam mounts, you know, so I like using this one a lot. So yeah, put the phone in place of your GoPro with this GoPro mount from VRIG. Works pretty good.